Hello, everyone. My name is Yi. I'm currently the Notary Project maintainer. So how many of you know Notary Project? Okay. How many of you sign container images? Okay, looks good. How many of you use images from Docker Hub directly? Okay, cool. Okay, in today's talk, I will talk about Notary Project, a short overview, and also our new feature, sign arbitrary blob files. So Notary Project is a self-incubating project. And in today's software world, so the cyber attack on the securing Cyber-attack on the software supply chain is quite frequent and cause severe impact. So developers also frequently ask questions, how can I ensure artifacts that I use are from a trusted source? And how can I ensure those artifacts are not altered since creation? So Notary Project answer these questions by providing standard-based solutions and tools. So we complied with the OCI specification, the latest 1.1, so that you can manage the signature in the OCI compliant registry efficiently. And we also support two IETF standard-based signature formats. One is JSON format, JWS, another is binary encoded COSI signatures. And the Notary Project also create additional specifications so that you can build your own reference implementation based on your needs. And this is quite important, especially for multi-cloud environment. This can ensure the interoperability and the capability by using the standard-based solutions. And currently, we have major cloud vendors adopt Notary Project solutions and tools, and also some popular open source projects. So how or when do I use Notary Project? So this is one typical scenario. It is to ensure the authenticity and the integrity of OCI images throughout its life cycle. So, so when you acquire images from, for example, Docker Hub, you need to verify the signature to ensure they are from a trusted source, right? So after you acquire those Docker images and you want your internal team to use that, you put into a catalog registry. So normally you will do vulnerability scanning and generate vulnerability reports. And for some cases, you even patch those images before the upstream has that new version ready. So for those new patched images or vulnerability reports, you can use Notary Project to sign them. And during the build, before you use, for example, base images for building your own application images, you can verify the signature to ensure the base images are trusted and approved of use by your organizations. And once you create your own application images, and you could probably generate attestations, spawn files, vulnerability reports, you also can use Notary Project to sign them. So before you deploy your container images in production, you can also use validate Notary Project signatures by using policy controller. So this is one typical scenario. So Notary Project now support new scenarios that to expand the sign capability to arbitrary blob files. So they are in cloud native. They are artifacts that are not distributed as OCI artifacts yet. So for those artifacts, they are equally important to ensure the integrity and authenticity in the software supply chain. So similar to OCI images, so before, I mean, you create your artifacts, right? And before those artifacts leave your trust boundary, for example, your file system, you sign them to produce a digit signature, and you publish the signature and the arbitrary files together. And from a consumer point of view, they can validate the signature before they are using the artifacts. So Notary Project now introduced new command set to support sign arbitrary files. Notation is Notary Project 2. CLI tool, notation blob sign to sign arbitrary files, notation blob inspect to inspect the signature with the certificate information, notation blob policy, you can use it to initialize the trust policy. On the right side, you can see an example of a trust policy, and you can fine-tune this trust policy based on your requirements. And the notation blob verify, you can use it for verify arbitrary blob files. Okay, so if you want to learn more about Notary Project and you want to see a demo, so feel free to join maintenance track on the, I think in the last day, in the afternoon of the last day, Friday. And we also have a project kiosk since tomorrow. So welcome to join and we can chat. Thank you.